Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Okay, next let us see the third problem, that is 4 unbiased coins are tossed 64 times. Calculate the expected frequencies for the number of heads obtained. Okay, here the given observations are, here the first given observation is 4. What is 4? 4 is sample size, that is small letter n is equal to 4. Okay, next here another term is given, that is unbiased coins. What is unbiased means was, unbiased means probability of getting head, that is equal to probability of getting tail. We know that probability of getting head is 1 by 2 and probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. Okay. Unbiased means probability of getting head is equal to probability of getting tail. So, here P is 0. Okay, we know that probability of success is denoted by P, that is 0.5. Then probability of getting failure, that is probability of getting tail, is 0.5, or we can write it as Q is equal to 1 minus P. This is equal to 1 minus 0.5 is equal to 0.5. Next one more term is given, that is 64 times, that is population size. We can write population size is capital letter 1 is equal to 64. Okay, next we need to write x. Here x is value of variable, here x is number of getting heads, number of heads obtained, number of heads obtained when tossing 4 coins. Okay, x is number of heads when tossing 4 coins. Then we know that here n and p's are given. So, n and p are parameters of binomial distribution. So, we can write x follows binomial with n and p. Okay, this is equal to, here x follows, we know the value of n and p. So, we can write x follows binomial, n is 4 and p is 0.5. Next, probability mass function is, that we can write it as PMF, that is P of x is equal to NCx p to the power x q to the power n minus x. Here x values 0, 1, 2 up to n. Okay, now we got the value of n, p, q. Now we can substitute these values in the PMF, that is P of x is equal to, n is 4 Cx, p is 0.5 to the power x, q is 0.5 to the power n is 4 minus x. Here x takes the value, see here n is 4, so x takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why it is 0 to 4? Because here n is 4. Okay, next what we need to calculate here? Here we need to calculate the expected frequency for the number of heads obtained. Okay, so we need to calculate expected frequency. Expected frequency formula is T of x is equal to n into P of x. Okay, we know that n is 64. Next we need to calculate P of x. How to calculate P of x? Here x observations are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next we need here P of x. How to calculate P of x? Once we have considered in the place 0, that is P of 0, next P of 1, P of 2, P of 3, P of 4. So, using these P of probability, we can calculate expected frequencies, that is T of 0, T of 1, T of 2, T of 3 and T of 4. Okay, now, so first we need to calculate here this one, probability of 0. So, here we know that P of x is this one 4cx 0.5 to the power x 0.5 to the power 4 minus x. Okay. Now, we need to substitute P of x is 0. So, P of x 0 means P of 0. See, instead of x write 0. What is the formula now? That is 4c here. 4c x is 0, then 0.5 to the power 0 and 0.5 to the power 4 minus 0. Okay, this is equal to 4c 0 is 1 into 0.5 to the power 0 is 1 into 0.5 to the power 4 is 0.0625. Okay, so this here P of 0 is 1 into 1, that is 1, 1 into 0.0625 is 0.0625. Okay. Next we need to calculate P of x is equal to 1, that is P of 1. So, instead of x here write 1, that is 4c 1 0.5 to the power 1 0.5 to the power 4 minus 1. This is equal to 4c1 is 4 into 0.5 to the power 1 is 0.5 into 0. See here 4 minus 1 is there, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. So, 0.5 to the power 3 is 0.125. This is equal to, see, 4 into 0.5 is 20 into 0.125 is 2. Okay, let me check. Here 4c1 is 4, then 0.5 to the power 1 is 0.5, next 0.5 to the power 4 minus 1 is 3. So, the answer is 0.125. Next 4 into 0.5 is 2, I am sorry, 4 into 0.5 is 2 into 0.125 is 0.25. Okay, next we need to calculate P of x is equal to 2, that is P of 2. So, here instead of x we have to write, instead of x we have to write 2, that is 4c2 0.5 to the power 2, then 0.5 to the power 4 minus 2. Okay, this is equal to 4c2 is 6 into 0.5 to the power 2 is 0.25 into, see here 4 minus 2, that is 2. So, 0.5 to the power 2 is 0.5 to the power 2 is 0.25. This is equal to 0.25 into 0.25, that is 0.5 into 6. 6 into 0.25 into 0.25 is 0.375. Okay, next we need to calculate P of x is equal to 3, that is P of 3. So, in PMF 4C3 0.5 to the power 3 and 0.5 to the power 5 minus 3. This is equal to 4C3 is 4, then 0.5 to the power 3 is 0.125 into 0, see this is 5 minus 3, that is 5 minus 3 is, I am sorry, this is not 5, okay, this is 4. So, 4 minus 3 is 1, so 0.5 to the power 1 is 0.5. This is equal to 4 into 0.125 into 0.5 is 0.25. Okay, next we need to calculate P of x is equal to 4, that is P of 4. So, PMF is 4C4 0.5 to the power 4 and 0.5 to the power 4 minus 4. This is equal to 4C4 is 1 into 0.5 to the power 4 is 0.0625 into, see here, this is 4 minus 4, that is 0. So, 0.5 to the power 0 is 1. This is equal to 1 into 0.0625 into 1 is 0.0625. Okay. Next, we know that sum of probability is always equal to 1. Let us check the value. The first one is 0.0625 plus 0.25 plus 0.375 plus 0.25 plus 0.0625 is 1. Okay. Next we need to calculate expected frequency. What is the formula? T of x is equal to n into P of x. Okay. Suppose here T of x is 0, here x is 0, then formula is T of 0 is equal to n into P of 0. See here, instead of x we have to write 0. P of 0, what is the value of P of 0? Here P of 0 is 0.0625 and n is 64. So, next here we apply the formula. Here n is 64 into P of 0 is 0.0625, then value is 4. Next, instead of x we have to write 1. So, T1 is equal to n into P of 1. So, here n is 64 into P of 1 is 0.25. So, the value is 60. Next, we need to calculate third expected frequency. So, here instead of x we have to write 3. So, T3 is equal to n into P of 3. P of 3 value is 0.37, then n is 64, that is 64 into 0.375. The answer is 24. Next is the fourth expected frequency. We need to calculate fourth expected frequency. So, here 4 in the place x it is 4. So, T of 4 is equal to n into P of 4. Then P of 4 value is 0.25, n is 64. Then the T4 value is 64 into 0.25, that is 16. Next, we need to calculate fourth one, that is T of 4 is equal to n into P of 4. So, P of 4 is 0.0625, n is 64. So, 64 into 0.0625 is 4. Then sum of this answer is 4 in plus 16 plus 24 plus 4. 4 plus 16 plus 24 plus 16 plus 4. The answer is 64. So, how to check this calculated answer is proper or not? See, sum of these probability is always equal to 1 and the total frequency, total expected frequency is always equal to capital letter N. Then our solution is proper.